Welcome to Vriddhi Wage Finance. We are presenting Rageshwari Can Limited FPO 2021. Guys, whenever we give the FPO and or IPO detail, please study from your end before investing because your money is valuable for you and us. Here we are giving a briefing about the Rageshwari Cans Limited. This company is incorporated under 2013 form where chapter number 21 the Company Act 2013 converting into partnership Rageshwari Metal Printers 10 Jan 2018 issued deputed registered company where according to Indian numbers, the company registration number has mentioned over here. You can read that. Mr. Chetan and Vora and the brother promoter commenced operation in 2004. Existing promoter Sri Bharat Bhai Vora and Sri Harshad Bhai Vora joint partnership in 2006. The company engaged business manufacturing round printing tin container various size of used packaging material of tobacco manufacturing and paint manufacturing industry in 96 Gujarat Industrial Estate Moria Ahmedabad 382210 where Rageshwari Metal Printers. The company is doing printing job on the sheets of supply of the customer. Proprietor Rajeshwari Trading Company purchases ready building from the Akar Paint Industries June 2004. Partnership firm was September 2004 has started the project and manufacturing install in the manufacturing production 50 ml to 5 liter capacity of container and simultaneously company install a single color printing machine after successfully implementing plan established in 2008 to 9. Additional production increasing install capacity of plant and also purchased 2 colors of printing machine from USA. However, the selling majority of one tobacco manufacturing company 80% of products sold single customer more than 10 years. The quality and timely supply of the products company developed cardinally relation client and uninterrupted since decade. The promoters Bharat Bhai Vora and Harshad Bhai Vora is involved in the business of trading iron and steel, tin plates, scraps and manufacturing round tin print since long. The vast experience in the understanding of business have been instrumental in the consistent growth of the performance. The vast experience under the erstwhile partnership receiving India 5000 Best MSME Award. They have received the award in the year of 2017 Outstanding and Excellency, satisfying the society through the services and management boost up. So here they are basically tobacco supplier, tin printing business, or you can understand from your own. Rageshwari Can IPO opening date on 31st March 2021, IPO closing date 6th April 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue, face value 10 rupees per equity share, IPO price 20 per equity share. Market lot is 6,000 shares, minimum order quantity 6,000 shares. Listing at BSE Bombay Stock Exchange and SME. Minimum application is 6,000 share per lot and the amount will be 1,20,000 per lot minimum and maximum. Dear investor, we have given a new segment for this SME IPOs or FPO, where we are only giving the promoter details and the link which is listed with NSE or BSE for further information. Please go through the link and you will come across the strategy of the company over everything. We are whatever we find the information we are telling you. But apart from that, money is valuable, market risk on own decisions. That's the reason we are giving this segment, where you can see the BSE link is given in description. Please go through that. The promoter of the company will be Bharat Kumar Vora, Harshad Bhai Vora, Siddharth Vora and Pratik Vora. Pre-issue shareholding will be 100% with the promoters. Post-issue shareholding will be 61.71%. Dear investor, thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you for subscribing Vriddhi Veg Finance, and we will update you about IPO and FPO. This Rajeshwari FPO, you just research about yourself firstly. We have given as much as information we have. We will let you know about our next IPO or FPO. Have a great day. Bye-bye.